all around the rossom.
My beautiful two birds. Hi fellas, folks,
All
this is
around the
Daniel
rhythm.
again. This is my beautiful two birds, my pets.
I'm also asking
and
for a.
Blinky are their names. I have them now
I'm
for
also
3
asking
years,
for a.
and they make me very
Can
happy,
I choose it?
as you can see.
All around the rossom.
Lovely birds. These are
All
lovebirds,
around the rhythm.
as they call them,
I'm
or
also asking for a.
budgies.
I'm also asking for a.
They're always making, they're always making. Look at
All
them.
around there are so many
And they're
reasons.
been together for